Hi everyone, I'm Swati. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm in a process of my kitchen makeover where I'll be doing some renovation, DIYs and arrangement and parts. I'm going to share with you all. The first I'm doing is a 3-tier tray. It can be used for storage of fruits, spices and displaying decor items. So let's go and do it. First of all, I'm using PVC pipe here as stand in between. I'm using 3 different sizes of white fiber plates. You can also use wooden if you like. Now fixing them one above the other according to its sizes. In between I'm using this PVC pipe. So the largest plate in bottom, smaller one in middle and the smallest one at the top. I'm using glue gun to fix it. You can also use nails if you like. And it's done. Did you like it? Do share your views. Thank you.